Undefeated is keeping its momentum strong in 2025, following the hype of their Air Jordan 4 collaborations with another headline-worthy release. After dropping the black and sail pairs with the Mac Big Bubble cushioning, the brand is now turning heads again with an ultra-limited continuation of its City Pack series. The Undefeated X Nike Air Max 95 Shanghai brings a fresh spin to the iconic silhouette, blending lightning-inspired energy with design cues from the classic Tour Yellow colorway. The upper features bold yellow hits over a clean gray gradient, a look that has been trending all year. What makes this pair even more special is the Undefeated branding. One of the signature sidewall waves is replaced with a spell-out stripe, paired with GEO-branded insoles and exclusive embossed lace locks. With only 600 pairs available, this release is extremely limited. The raffle for the Air Max 95 Shanghai is open now and closes on December 12 at 11 p.m. PST.